Alright, it's a meatloaf settings. I don't know beef steak. Have him on him DIY ready make grill. Don't know it go. Mad look how that look. Grimy down. Check out them rice and peas. Cheese and peas. Alright, get everything ready up now. Get the beef steak clean up with some vinegar. Wash him off with some vinegar and wash him off with some water. Cut him up fine, you know. Slice him up first. Cause you know say we never have no we never go look we want the fresh beef. We never really want no minced beef. Fresh beef, you know. Yeah, cow we just kill Thursday and we buy Friday. No I lie, cow kill Friday and we buy Friday. Yeah man, and prepare him Sunday. That is it. Chop him up fine right now. Yeah man. Everything chop up there now. Get him nice up and ready up. Find some little piece on it and chop up good. Take them out one, pack them up so we can chop them up over. Get everything incorporated nicely. Alright. That look like a him now. Alright, get ready to dash in some seasoning. Alright, a quarter teaspoon that salt. Yeah man, salt to taste. 1 teaspoon that are ground provision, my original seasoning. 1 next teaspoon of my original ground provision seasoning same way. So we get them available. 1 next one, same way, ground provision. Made by me. Don't know. Alright, black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon. Alright, bust 1 egg in him. So you can use 2 eggs too if you wish, you know, but 1 egg me I use, you know. Yeah. Chop up some fresh seasoning, you know. Dice up the onion fine. So you can throw him in, you know. Alright. Get a piece of purple onion same way. Put side of the one there. Alright. Get piece of green onion. Scallion, otherwise called scallion. Get him diced up nice. Alright, piece of garlic. Get him diced up fine same way. I don't want them too big. You know? Yeah man. 1 more clove of garlic, or 2 cloves me I use. Dice him up fine. Alright. Chop up piece of scotch bonnet. I use half of him because my son can't too manage the pepper. If you use piece and put on back piece, you know? Get piece of ginger, fresh ginger. Chop up fine same way. You know how it go. Yard man settings. At first I'm gonna make a meatloaf still, so we'll see what I'll go on for it. First I know inside I'm oven, I do it outside. Alright, throw in everything I know in my meat. Get him ready for mix up. Yeah man. Piece of skillet, piece of thyme. Take off the leaf, them and mince them up, throw it in. Wash off your hand, mix them up, everything together, you know. Yeah man, mix them in, yes. Don't know you're going to get the season all over the night. You know, have it one corner, you know. Yeah, spread it out evenly. That is it, man. Get your file paper now, oil your file paper. Obviously, me need oil for me, but oil the file paper so you don't stick to it when done. You see me? That's one thing I never do. Yeah, and it kind of did stick, but never cause a big issue. But just I tell you, oil your file paper, you see me? Yeah, man. Spread out the meat, bunny. Depends on how high or how thick you want it, or them way the same way, you know? Yeah, man. Spread them out nicely. And I get some cheese. You can have some Parmesan or any cheese. A regular cheese me I use. As you can see, me send go to shop to buy 2 slices of cheese. Yeah, man. So use any cheese where you have or any cheese where you like. That is it. Get him nicely shred out, you know. Cold up. That mad man when you done, man, believe me. That mad. You see it. No, it's mad. And he's a mad chef a deal with it. So you know how that go. Alright, that is some potato now soaking in some salt and black pepper. Yeah, man. You want to use some greens, but my name there no greens a bombard. So I just flip the script and say, alright, you try something new. Yeah, man, you don't know you go. You have to be creative in the kitchen as a bad chef. No joke. So you get him full over now and roll him over nice and tight as you can get him. Yeah. You can use all breadcrumbs in it to hold it properly, mix up in it. But I never put none of that in it. It still come out, still work out, you know. Yeah. But at the night, be better. Get him roll up nicely and yeah, more layer you have on him, it kind of better, you know. You can't just have one layer of file paper. You want to roll it over all 3 times at least. Yeah, tuck in back, look how they drop out there. So if you say you want to escape, come around there, someone. Nice him up and make sure so you can't drop out again. Nice up the next side, make sure so none no drop out over the same way. Roll him over some more. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Whole heap of file paper me I use, you know. Tear him off now, though. Alright, and get peace smoker. You see, say never to meat kind of come out to the end height. So you want to make sure so you can't escape after you're done and put him on the fire. You get the next piece set long way. And fold him over and shut up the end then, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, ready to go put on the hot griller now. The griller preheat. Be a good ketchup in him right now. Put him over past some lagwood. Alright, see it there. See how high me I'll put it to me, just want to give him some time. I give him all 1 hour and a half in the man. I spend one 45 minutes up there, so. See next section of grill down there, so I'm just carry him down lower when the fire burn go down lower and put him down on the next rack there. You know? Yeah, man, that's how we do it, man. Mad fire that ketchup on that, man. See it there now? Cut him, you know, so I can put some sauce on him. Match up a mad sauce, you know, for me hard and put it on him. Yeah, man. Cut the open so you can get to put the sauce on it. Alright. I got some barbecue sauce in there. Sure, I can portion outside. Put a little oil in the pot, same way. Go and stir them around. Add a little of my ground provision season the same way. Yeah, man, I add some black pepper, add some water. Stir them around, see there. Black pepper that. And then I go add some seasoning, alright. Add a little like seasoning in it. Then I go and stir him around nicely and make him go on, you know, until to boil up too much, keep him down low. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's ready up soon, you know. Lock him off and so we can put him on the meatloaf, you know. Yeah, man. One stir him occasionally, constantly. Not occasionally, constantly. Two different meanings. Yeah, man, create down a little bit there. Soon done up, you know, man.
Sauce are nice and fuck.
Come on, man. Yeah, move so long, sauce. Hurry up and done the youth. Yeah, move so long, youth. Move up your hand faster, youth. Yeah, David.
Okay.
Yo, that look mad. Alright. Put him on the meter now, you see it? Yeah, man. Different look, man, when they go on, man. Different texture and different taste. Speed up the process. Yeah, man, don't like me sure make also more sauce though. Cause when this sauce is done, I look come out when time I'm ready for share out. I have to have more sauce again. For chew up on him and upon the rice and sin.
Soon
Yeah,
done, you
man.
know.
What,
Man,
bro?
it's 15 minutes.
Believe. You know? Yeah, I come so take you off in a minute, you know. Gone, you know, youth. Real out the bad thing. No. How that look? Have a couple crack this about normal code. As me say first me I make it and sitting and then put breadcrumbs on there sitting there night. So still come out nicely. I taste even though matters more. Carry out the bad rice now. Boom. Watch it, man. Man tough as fuck, dog. Watch it. This rice, yeah. Watch how the basmati grain then turn up. Boom, my friend. Bad chef style, man. In a real life. In a real life. Share out some, you know. I make 2 slices in them, you know. I know. Or share out 2 plates for me and my boy, you know. We don't go up on the road. Deal with that thing. And forward back. Alright. 2 slices. Alright. Take him off, you know. Put them 2 slices in a plate. I got 3 slices gone, so 3 slices, boy, Tavino gone with you know. You know, so I just realize. You, watch it, man.